Some people say that PowerPoint is now outdated. This is because many use a new AI tool in town to create presentations in just a few seconds. In this video, I will show you how to use Gamma AI to create stunning presentations. With Gamma, you can easily create captivating presentations, memos, briefs, docs, and even a website. Before we dive into the video, let me welcome you back to Ray Creators Lab, where we discuss everything about AI and online tools that you can use to streamline your everyday tasks and businesses. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Like and share this video, and if you have an AI tool in mind that you want me to make a video about, kindly let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to receive our videos when we make them. I have been compiling lists of AI and online tools, and I know you may want to try them. In the description below, I have included a link to other AI tools you should be using as a creator. You should check them out. Now, let me show you how to use Gamma AI. Now, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to gamma.app and sign up. Click Create New and choose Generate. Pick the number of cards. Describe your topic. Click Generate Outline, and the AI will create an outline for you. Step 2. Edit presentation. Edit the generated outline, or continue if it's good. Choose a theme on the right. Wait for the magic. When you are done, you can now share with your friends and the public as well. Gamma created a full slide, all from that simple prompt we gave it. Here is the result. Like I said earlier, with Gamma, you can easily create stunning and captivating presentations, memos, briefs, websites, and docs.